Giving up,
gotta let it go sometimes.
It's hard to do.
What?
When you
Here we go again. Pardon my delay.
Diamonds.
really love someone.
I spit rigs and blades. Niggas say I changed, but I was made this way. Sipping Tanqueray. They want the prize, but was afraid to play. Versace on my frames ain't nothing new. It's just my day to day. Spill sake on my shoes. Be with my wife and kids like Damon Wayans. My brain it got a jagged edge. Put the blade to your nose like Rodamers. You know what time it is. It ain't what you know. It's common sense. The most dominant. One bad egg, my whole crew can make an omelet. Make one joke about my mama, Obama shit. Astonishing. Run through hoes like LaDainy and Tomlinson. My slave roots run deep. My father made me a Robinson. I swam from a different world like Kadeem Hardison. But an artist in my own right. We like construction workers. Shit is on site. I scorch mics to the flames shine brighter than Porsche lights. Be the blackest nigga in the spot, rockin' off-white, the flow jujitsu. Yoshimitsu, spit like a loaded pistol, on point like homing missiles. What the fuck?
Giving up,
Yeah, Clypto.
it's hard to do. When you really love someone.
Pavarotti vocal cords soar like a flock of doves. Rockin' numb, popping guns. It's a drug when you clockin' funds. I've succumbed murders, crooked cops. My block like a butcher shop. Pop blocks at the shookin' ops. Little sugar pop. Sweet on all sides ass. Feet brass, hair wool. Can't grasp my vast drool. Advanced beyond enhanced tools. A contrast to how these rats move. I outlast and surpass these rap dudes. I'm too classical and the facts true. A diamond in the rough. A rose from the concrete. Snuff tough guy wannabes. Simply with the long reach. They know my script legit. Like the Crips out in Long Beach. Saw your teeth, then drug your ass worse than Cosby. It's the overlord. Axe your body when I'm over swords. Fuck nuns when I'm over whores. But now I'm more mature. Still the richest feed the poor. Ancestry of a Moor. Stitch my raps in velour. Foreign fabric Singapore.
Giving up, it's hard to do. When you really love someone.
Visualize this greatness, embrace it. Staring in these unfamiliar faces. Turn you niggas to donuts, this barrel can have you withdrawing platelets. Some niggas be killing these records, but when I murder, shit is cleaner than the hot for disappearance. Agents dusting for fingerprints, can't trace it. Me and Bugsy show you this luxury. Niggas say what up when I'm comfortably standing on subsidy crack pavements. Purist men, they can't get enough of me. I'll take your children like the judges giving me sole custody. The spitting while they look up to me. The upper echelon, I was Megatron fighting with Prime. Out of it like Holyfield fighting Vitor. You see inside your vision, then you see Raw signing these young thugs. I am lead all, I lead all the mercenaries like Taliban conquering from a meek war. Niggas ain't learning nothing if they listen less, but they speak more.
Giving up, it's hard to do. When you